Good morning. How are you all? Hope you are doing well, kids. So in the last class we did explanation and the question and answer session. So this is our third class. In this class we will complete our exercise bit, grammar bit. Fine. So take out your readers of first lesson at page number 9. Already? Yeah. So in this first bit, question and answers, we finished. We finished writing the question answers in our last class. Today we will start B bit. So in this, take the correct option. Here 3 options are given to you. In this you have to take one option which is one answer which is correct. Fine. So here first one is R.E. Bird was an. What was he? Was he an Indian, American or English? He was an American. So take American here. Next one. R.E. Bird was the first person to visit he was the first person to visit which place? North Pole, South Pole or Arctic Ocean? He visited South Pole. B1. Third, Gandhiji had perfect faith in. गांधी जी को faith किस में ज़्यादा था? Prayer, war, experiment? It is prayer. Tick A1. So turn your pages, come up to the next. Fourth one, in the line lead though me on, the word though refers to, किसे refer करता है though? God. Tick B. Fifth one, God is light, goodness and truth, evidence or evil? It is truth. A1. So next bit you are having of facts and opinions. So do you know the difference between facts and opinions? Yeah, facts are statements that can be proven. Opinions are your own or someone else's personal views. Facts क्या होते हैं? जो they are prove होते हैं. तो facts that can be proved. जो चीज़ prove होती है उसे fact बोलते हैं. Opinion क्या है? वो हमारे views रहते हैं. The views which we give. कि आज करी अच्छी बनी थी, कल बिरयानी अच्छी बनी थी, ये हमारे व्यूज़ है. ओके. फैक्ट्स क्या है? व्हाट आर फैक्ट्स? दैट कैन बी प्रूवन. प्रूव जिस चीज़ को कर सकते हैं उस चीज़ को बोलते हैं फैक्ट. सो कम अप टू द नेक्स्ट बिट. इन दिस इट्स बीन गिवन हियर कि स्टेट वेदर विच ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट्स इन फैक्ट आर फैक्ट और एन ओपिनियन. सो हियर फर्स्ट वन, द अर्थ गोज राउंड द सन. अर्थ क्या करता है? सन के राउंड जाता है. येस और नो? Yes, so it's a fact. Language. So first one, it's a fact. Next one, cricket is a better game than football. Cricket क्या है? Football से एक better game है. तो ये क्या है? हमारा opinion है. Okay. Second one is opinion. Fine. Next, the moon is a satellite of the earth. Moon क्या है? earth का satellite है. तो ये prove हुआ है. So it's a fact. Third one is fact. Next, cats make the best pets of all. Cats क्या है? सब pets में बहुत अच्छे एक best pet है. सो ये हमारा ओपिनियन है. हमारे लिए डॉग भी बेस्ट हो सकता है, हमारे लिए पैरट भी बेस्ट हो सकता है. सो ये ओपिनियन. सो राइट ओपिनियन. OPINION. नेक्स्ट वन, एंड ओएसिस इज अ फर्टाइल स्पॉट इन द डेजर्ट. ओएसिस क्या है? डू यू नो व्हाट इज एन ओएसिस? ओएसिस इज अ छलावा. जब हम दूर से देखते हैं कि अरे पानी दिखाई दे रहा है, मोस्टली इन डेजर्ट प्लेसेस में क्या है? जहाँ पे सारी रेत होती है. तो रेत में हमें दूर से दिखाई देता है कि वहाँ पे एक पॉन्ड है, पानी दिखाई देता है, बट उसके करीब जाने के बाद वहाँ पे पानी नहीं रहता. हैव यू सीन दिस? मोस्टली इन कार्टून्स. भीम के कार्टून में बताता है ना? या आई टू वॉच दैट. सो इन दैट कार्टून मोस्टली जब भीम एंड मोटू पतलू तब जाते हैं तब व्हाट हैपन्स देयर? वहाँ पे दे फाइंड एन ओएसिस. सो इट्स अ छलावा. दिखाई तो देता है बट वो चीज़ होती नहीं है. So an oasis is a fertile spot in the desert. So it's a fact. So next one, swimming is the best exercise. Swimming क्या है? एक best exercise है. Yes or no? It's a best exercise. या रनिंग एक बेस्ट एक्सरसाइज होती है, स्विमिंग, जंपिंग, राइडिंग, ओके, योगा, मेडिटेशन, ये सब एक एक एक्सरसाइजेज है. ये हमारा अपना पर्सनल व्यू है. सो इट्स एन ओपिनियन. सिक्स्थ वन इज OPINION, ओपिनियन. नेक्स्ट वन, प्लैनेट्स हैव नो लाइट ऑफ देयर ओन. प्लैनेट्स को क्या है, उनकी ओन लाइट नहीं है, राइट. सो इवन अवर अर्थ इज अ प्लैनेट, इजंट इट? तो अर्थ प्लैनेट जो है, क्या इसकी ओन लाइट है? नो, इट डज नॉट हैव अ लाइट. द अर्थ टेक्स इट्स लाइट फ्रॉम द सन. जब मॉर्निंग में सन आता है तो अर्थ के अंदर पूरी लाइट आ जाती है, डे लाइट. देन जब अर्थ रिवॉल्व होता है सन के राउंड में, व्हेन इट टेक्स अ टर्न, इट गोज राउंड, ओके, तो तब क्या होता है, नाइट हो जाती है. सो अर्थ प्लैनेट्स डज नॉट हैव लाइट ऑफ देयर ओन. सो इट्स अ फैक्ट. ये एक प्रूव है. ओके, pizzas are tastier than hamburgers, right? We all love pizzas, है ना? Pizzas, burgers, crispy chips, and what are they? Fries, Frankies. We all love this. So it's a pizza is tastier than hamburger. तो हमारा opinion है, किसी को पिज़्ज़ा पसंद, किसी को बर्गर पसंद, किसी को फ्राइज पसंद. Okay, so it's an opinion. Eighth one is opinion. OPINION, opinion. नेक्स्ट, द नाइल इज द वर्ल्ड्स लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर. नाइल क्या है, वर्ल्ड की लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर है, isn't it? It's a fact, it's a proven fact. FACT, fact. Now 10th and the last one, boys are more intelligent than girls. So how many of you agree to this? I don't agree. Are boys more intelligent than girls? No, I don't agree. So it's my personal view. I agree that girls are more intelligent than boys, isn't it? ये हमारा personal view है. So it's my view. It's an opinion. OPINION. Fine. So copy this one. Okay. Did you all copy? Finished? So come up to the next bit. So here we have to state which is a noun and which is a verb. What is a noun and what is a verb? Noun क्या है? Noun is a naming word. We all know that. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. And verb, what is verb? Verb is doing work. This we'll do later on, okay. So here he was selected to act in the play. So what is this? He was selected to act in the play. Here it is a verb, okay, doing work. And next, the curtains fell after the first act. It's a noun. So put tick on the noun. Next one, give me a bite of this sandwich. Give me a bite of the sandwich. So it's a noun here. Next, don't tease the dog, it will bite you. Okay, don't tease the dog, it will bite you. It's a verb. Don't cry, I am here to help you. This one is noun. And mother heard the baby's cry and ran in. This is verb. Let's go for a long drive. It's a noun. You have to drive long to go there. Put tick on verb. Do you want to paint your house? It's a verb. Is there any paint left in the box? The word paint here is noun. So come up to the next bit. Write the proper noun from the box beside the matching common noun. Okay, तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है हमको? कंट्री, मंथ, रिवर, माउंटेन, प्लैनेट एंड एक्सप्लोरर, ये 6 वर्ड्स दिए गए. यहाँ पे हेल्प बॉक्स दिया गया. तो इसमें से हमको फाइंड आउट करना है कि कंट्री मीन्स what name is given, for month what name is given. Okay, that we have to write in front of these. So first one here is country is B-bit, page 11. First one, country is India. Okay, Next, month, July. Month is July. Third, river. River is Amazon. Okay. Next one, mountain, Andes. Mountain is Andes. Fine. Next one, planet. Planet is Mars. Okay. Fine. Next one, explorer. Explorer is James Cook. Fine, kids? So copy this one. Okay, so now come to our next bit. Here in the C1, write two letters that can be added to make new words in. Okay, so first one, similarly write a single letter to form a new word in 2. So here two bits are given, first and 2. In these two bits, we have to write a letter that adds, if we add with this letter, it's make a new word. Okay, so first in this one, we'll add two S. Okay, S and S. So just read out PA, word is given. If we add SS to it, it will become PASS, pass, right? New word is formed. Next one, GRA is given. If we add SS, it becomes grass. GRASS, grass. Next, CLA is given. अगर हम SS add करते हैं तो it will become CLASS, class. Next one, GLA is given. If we add SS, it will become GLASS, glass. Next, CRO is given. If we add SS, it will form CROSS, cross. Fine. And in next one, only one word we have to add. So we'll put it here in T. Okay, the single word is T. So if we add T here, okay, it will become TABLE, table. If we add T here, it will become TRAIN, train. Next, TEACH, teach. Okay, then TONE, tone. Okay, next one, TEAAR, tear. Next, TALL, tall. TOWN, town. THAT, that. Okay. So, turn your pages. Here on this page, page number 12, you have been given writing skill. Okay, in this, you have to collect information of these famous personalities. Who are these? Collect information from the internet or library books and write 2 lines about the achievements of the following explorers. तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है? 4 explorers दिए गए हैं आपको. You have to take out information about these explorers. Vasco da Gama, Christopher Columbus, Robert Peary and Marco Polo. Okay, kids. So as your homework, collect information of explorers at page number 12. Fine. So now come to the next topic, thinking skill. Here, work in praise. Let one partner ask and the other answer. So if we were in school, अगर हम school में होते तो we would have played this क्विज. ओके, ये क्विजिंग टाइप क्विज है ये. तो ये अगर हम स्कूल पे रहते तो वी वुड हैव एंजॉयड अ लॉट, बट एज वी आर इन आवर होम्स we'll do it ourselves. Okay, we'll with the first partner and we will itself will be the second partner. Okay, first partner, what eyes is afraid of cats? So can you think what eyes is afraid of cats? Cats से कौन सी चीज़ डरती है? It is mice. M-I-C-E, mice, already given. Next one, first partner, what ice do we eat every day? कौन सा ice है जो हम डेली खाते हैं? It is, can you guess? Good, rice. R-I-C-E, rice. Got it? Yes. Next one, what ice is used in games? What type of ice is used in games? It is dice. लूडो खेलते हैं, स्नेक एंड लैडर खेलते हैं, उसमें डाइस यूज करते हैं. That one, dice. Next one, for what ice means 2 times? कौन सा ice है जो 2 times? That means 2 times. 1 and 2 जो होता है that 2 times. It is twice. T-W-I-C-E, twice. Then what ice is the cost of a book? So whenever we go to a stationery or a bookshop, we generally ask what is the price of the book? Good. P-R-I-C-E, price. What ice makes food tasty? कौन सा ice है जो food को tasty बनाता है? What one? Which one? Daily मम्मा use करते हैं ना? Good. Spice, मिर्ची. So first one, so page 13, A bit. First one is mice. Second one is rice. Third one is dice. Fourth is twice. Fifth one, price. And sixth one is spice. Okay, copy this one. So did you all copy that one? Now come to the next bit. Here in this bit, write the nicknames given in the help box in the alphabet blanks. One is done for you. So यहाँ पे क्या दिया गया हमको? एक as in fill in the blanks, missing letters के type में दिया गया है. So उसका यहाँ पे हमको names दिए गए. Okay, guessing names दिए गए. So ये guessing names को हम read करके we will find the actual name of it. Okay, ये help box हमें use करना है. Fine. So a seedless fruit, एक ऐसा fruit जिसमें seeds नहीं है. कौन सा है वो? It is banana. Okay, first one is already done. Next one, space traveler. Space में travel करने वाले कौन थे? Sunitya Williams was a space traveler. So she is called as an astronaut. First one is banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Second one is astronaut, astro, N-A-U-T, astronaut. Okay, next one, first month. year का first month कौन सा होता है? It is January. Third one, it is January, J-A-N-U-A-R-Y, January. Okay, next one, a horse shelter. Horse का shelter कौन सा है? Horses को कहाँ पे रखते हैं? Horse के home को क्या बोलते हैं? Stable, S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. Next one, मिस्ट. स्प्रे करते हैं ना जिससे धुआं धुआं निकलता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज मिस्ट. इट इज अ स्प्रे, S-P-R-A-Y, स्प्रे. अ स्पेशल शो, एक स्पेशल शो को क्या बोलते हैं? शोज़, बहुत सारे शोज़ ऑर्गेनाइज होते हैं, बहुत सारे शोज़ टेलीविजन पर आते हैं. सो व्हाट इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज? इट्स कॉल्ड एज एन इवेंट. 6th one is event, EVENT, event. Next one, ice cream flavors. So what it can be? क्या हो सकता है आइसक्रीम फ्लेवर? स्ट्रॉबेरी? नो. बटरस्कॉच? नो, इट इज वनीला. VANILLA, vanilla. Next one, a tropical fruit. It is guava. GUAVA. Okay, copy this down. So did you all copy it? Finished? So homework already, it's on the board. You have to collect information of explorers at page number 12 and you have to write in your homework notebooks. Fine? So till our next class, complete all your work, complete your readers and in your class workbooks. So stay home, stay safe and don't trouble your parents.